Hare Krishna. The holy name of God holds the power to influence and transform all living beings. This truth was magnificently demonstrated by Lord Chaitanya during his journey to Sri Vrindavan through the dense forest of Jarikanta. As he traveled through the deep and dark forest, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was fully absorbed in dancing and chanting the holy names of Krishna. As Lord Chaitanya ventured deeper into the forest, he encountered a variety of wild animals lions, tigers, rhinos, elephants, cobras, deer, rabbits, and many others. Seeing these ferocious creatures, Balabhadra Bhattacharya, the Lord's servant, became extremely fearful. But by the divine influence of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the animals stood peacefully, offering their respects to the Lord with folded palms. At one point, Lord Chaitanya came across a tiger sleeping on the road. Without hesitation, he placed his lotus feet on the tiger's head and loudly chanted the holy name of Krishna. Immediately, the tiger sprang up, raised its arms, and began to chant Krishna, Krishna with great ecstasy. Tears flowed from the tiger's eyes as it danced in love for Krishna alongside Lord Chaitanya. As the journey continued, Lord Chaitanya came to a river in the jungle and decided to take a bath. While he was in the river chanting the Gayatri mantra, wild elephants approached to drink water. Balabhadra Bhattacharya feared for Lord Chaitanya's safety, but the Lord, undisturbed, splashed water on the elephants and encouraged them to chant Krishna's name. Miraculously, the elephants began to chant Krishna, Krishna, and danced in ecstasy. They even rolled on the ground, overwhelmed by the holy name's power. As Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu continued through the jungle, his loud chanting attracted the attention of many forest deer. The deer gathered around the Lord and followed him. Amazingly, 7 tigers joined the procession, walking side by side with the deer. Yet on this day, both the deer and tigers were united in their attraction to Lord Chaitanya's divine presence. By seeing the deer and tigers walking together, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited a verse. Danyashmamootamatayo api harinyayeta yanandanandanam mupata vichitravesham आकर्ण्यवेणुरनितं शः कृष्णसारा पूजां ततुर्विरचितां प्रणयावलोकै. Blessed are all these foolish deer because they have approached Maharaja Nanda's son, who is gorgeously dressed and is playing on his flute. Indeed, both the does and the bucks worship the Lord with looks of love and affection. As the words echoed through the forest, the tigers and deer began to chant Krishna, Krishna and danced in ecstasy. They raised their arms and in an extraordinary display of affection embraced each other and even kissed one another. Witnessing this incredible scene, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and continued on his journey. The power of his chanting and the beauty of his divine form transformed not just the animals but all living entities. Birds, including peacocks, followed the Lord, dancing and singing in ecstasy. Even the trees and creepers were touched by the sound of his holy names and became ecstatic. This story from Lord Chaitanya's life demonstrates that every living entity, by its very nature, is our spirit soul, an eternal servant of Krishna. When exposed to the Lord and the spiritual sound vibration of the holy name, the innate nature of the soul is awakened, leading to love, harmony, and transcendental joy. In our world, where families, nations, and even animals often harbor animosity towards one another, this story teaches us that true peace and love can only be achieved on the spiritual platform. By chanting the holy names of God together in Kirtan, We can please the Lord just as the animals in Jarikanda pleased Lord Chaitanya by participating in Harinama Sankirtan. It shows us that if even animals can attain pure love for Krishna through chanting, how much more can we as human beings achieve by embracing this divine practice? So, the moral is the holy name of Krishna can awaken the dormant love for God within every living being, regardless of their form or nature. By embracing the practice of chanting the holy names of God, we can transcend material differences and experience the divine love that unites all of creation. So, let us all pray together to Krishna. O Lord Krishna Chaitanya, may your holy name continue to transform the hearts of all living beings. Grant us the humility to chant with sincerity and the vision to see the divine spirit in every creature. Help us to transcend our differences and embrace each other with love, just as the animals in Jarikanta did in your divine presence. Let your holy name resound in our hearts and lead us to the ultimate peace and joy of spiritual unity. Hare Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. Thank you so much for watching.